So hi everyone, look at this question. A fraction error in x, y, and z are point 0.1, point 0.2, and point 2. Find the maximum fraction error. This quantity you can take this quantity is w. X to the you can write 1 upon x square multiply y to the power 3 by 2 multiply 1 by z to the power 2 by 5. This entire thing you can write y to the power 3 by 2 x square z power 2 by 5. Okay. Now it's very easy question like they are asking fraction error in this quantity. Delta w by w 3 by 2 delta y plus 2 delta x by x plus 2 by 5 delta z by z. Okay. Now delta y by y is given in this problem. Fraction error in y 0.2. Fraction error in x 0.1. Fraction error in z 0.5. So it comes out to be 0.3, 0.2, 0.2. So it will be 0.7. Yeah. So thank you so much. Start is clear.